Okay, we're gonna do this video called Original Puppet Pals.
Hey, remember
okay,
the puppet, yeah, the puppet, remember?
Original Puppet Pals.
It's the brother of the puppet, you know? This is my brother, he made the puppet.
Oh yeah, you remember that I did the video, the puppet? So, he is who I was looking for. Oh, and remember him? He was just a bad guy in the video. He's actually a good guy for me. He's so cute.
I am.
He's so cute. Okay, brother, let's do Six in a Nut. Here goes. Oops. Okay, help me minimize this.
Walking down the street in my new freak, yeah. This is how I roll. Animal print pants out control. It's Red Bull with the big ass bra. And like Bruce Lee, bro, I got the clout, yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody's out. I'm sexy and I know it.
Don't louder.
No, I'm not going to hear it.
We can't
I'm
do it.
sexy and I know it.
Oto, ma ti manda sexy as a
Vero sede!
Mata você.
אני
למה אתה צועק? אני שומעת טוב.
אומר לא מפסיק עם זה, הוא לא מפסיק.
בן, מה זה על הרצפה?
זה תקוע בראש שלו.
Okay, let's start the adventure. Here goes Original Puppet Pals. Let's just see who's staring. Staring Balti. Staring me. And of course, staring puppet number 1. Get that? And puppet number 2. Oh yeah, do your extreme big mouth.
Pause it.
Just do it. This is his extreme mouth.
Don't it look like my head is cut?
Yep.
Ooh, zombie.
Should we start our adventure?
Okay, bye.
Wait.
Wait. Let's go inside this place. Okay.
Okay, let's go inside the tunnel. We're going
No,
to the
Ben.
tunnel to the leading
No,
adventure.
Ben. No,
We're
Ben.
going inside the tunnel.
No, Ben, it's first done here. Where's the puppet?
Hey, where's the puppet pals? Hello, puppet pals. Hey, you. Where's the puppet pals? What do you want? Where's the puppet pals? Oh yeah, puppet pals. Where are you? Hey, you. Stop snoring. What? I didn't get that. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be in the show.
Where's puppet pal number 2?
Oh, here he is. Hey you, wake up! Ah. Do you want to play the Adventure Wizard chess? Oh yeah, Tom, we'll play the Wizard. Okay, we're going inside the tunnel that leads us to an adventure. You're here? Okay, I'm first. Okay? Hey, dude, don't bother us. We're going inside the tunnel.
Don't get in here.
We're going inside the tunnel. Okay?
Go in
Okay,
here.
let's go.
Go in here.
Let's go in. Where did they go? Huh? Okay.
Well.
Boom. Hey, where's the other one?
Well.
Boom. Oh, there you are. What a surprise. Okay, guys, it's a time. Watch part 2 of Original Puppet. Bye. Bye. Right now.